most critical makeup pieces. I believe in mascara. And that was the Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof. We'll see how it does. Oops, I didn't do this side. There. And all that does when I do that, y'all, is just kind of take off excess around the outer part of the eye. Kind of, again, looks a little more finished on the eye makeup job. And again, with all this excess fallout, one of the best things you can do when you're finished, do not rub your shirt. Just, I'm going to stand back and show you what I'm going to do. You just pop it like that. And look, it all just fell for the most part. I'm going to pop it again up here. Yep. Because if you rub it, it'll just rub into the material and you will have little dots. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. I hope y'all enjoyed that. And I hope y'all are having a good day. I'll talk to you again soon. Be sure and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're interested, I would love for you to go over to my other channel and subscribe to it. That's Beth Buchanan, B-U-C-H-A-N-O-N, Pure Bible. And also, once you hit subscribe, if you hit the little bell next to it, it will notify you when I upload. And I upload almost every single day. I've been known to do many parts in one day. You'll never be bored with me around. Love you guys. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.